Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear AC trim panel from your Chevy Trailblazer. The reasons why you need to remove this trim panel are because there is a resistor back there that controls your airflow, and then also your blower motor. Sometimes that goes out and needs to be replaced. There's also two blend door actuators which control the airflow to people's face, to their feet, and then also hot and cold. This job is really easy, not too hard. I show you what tools you need and then the whole process. Alright guys, so the tools you'll need for this job, definitely some pry bars to pop out the attachments on the panels. Then you start out with a T50 socket to remove your seatbelt bolt, and that thing is really in there. I use my drill that has some pretty powerful torque to pull it out, but you may want one of these bad boys, a 1/2, an adapter. You need to get some serious torque on that thing, so just be ready for that. A breaker bar would be really nice, and also then just a Phillips to pull out some screws. But this is pretty easy tool wise. Just be ready for that bolt with the seat belts. It's going to give you some trouble, and then be sure to use something flat to get in there and pop out the trim panels. That really helps them last longer. So where we're going is right back there. You're going to have your air conditioning and then your duct work. So to get to that piece, first I have to remove this panel right here, and then also that panel over there. And a little tip, just take a picture of where your seat belts are. So whenever you put it back together, you can remember that, and it's easy, and you don't have them on the outside of the panel and stuff like that. So this panel right here, on my car, it's actually really loose, easy to pull off. So that's that, and that gives you access to that area, so you can peel it out. And the reason why mine's so easy is I think these are supposed to come out of the car, and you can see they're happy there. So we'll just leave those there. So after you remove that, then you have to get these 5 screws in this area, one right here, one right here, one right here, right here, and right here out, so you can be able to pull the panel. And those are Phillips. I already took them out, so you don't have to watch me do that. And next we're gonna get this panel off. Okay guys, so this part is pretty easy. What you do is you get it at the bottom and you pull up, and that'll give you access to this screw, which will remove your seatbelt to allow for the removal of this trim panel. And I have a T50 Torx head with my fancy Milwaukee drill. So I've already removed everything to see how to do this job. This was really hard. I had to put a lot of pressure to break this screw loose. But today it's a piece of cake, so we're just going to set this aside. Now to get the actual panel off, we have our tools here, and we're just going to go around gently and pry it right off. And guys, I definitely recommend getting some kind of pry tool. That makes this so much easier. I don't exactly remember where all the little spots were at, so it feels like there's some right along here. Just go in. Oh, see, there's one popped off. And just be really gentle so you don't break anything. The last thing we want to do is break something. Here and feel it out, and once it's loose you can grab it and pull a little bit, so it's still pretty snug. Yeah, so there's one I'll show you. You have one here, one here, one here, one here, and it looks like we have 1 or 2 over here on this side. And I'll give you guys a picture of this and where all the points are. Top to bottom, you turn it around, bring it out a little bit. And so you have one here at the bottom, here at the top, there, 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 and there. And just be gentle with these again. And I always rearrange these little metal tips if they get a little bent out of shape whenever I'm pulling it off. And also, there's a little cup holder here that you need to remove too. And you can see on the side, on the front, on the side, and on the front. So just be a little careful when you're pulling it out. The panel should just slip down around it. And you can use your little pry tool, get underneath and pop it up. Alright guys, the final step is we pull up the carpet and then we start working around this to pop those clamps out. And here's a picture of where all the little clamps are so you know where to put your pry bar. And a little tip that can help is if you can pop this top part a little loose right here, that will help you with removing the bottom piece. Give you a little bit of space to work with. There we go, it's nice and loose. Pull this out, and we'll start with the sucker. So there is this black rim or seal right along here that you need to be careful of. It's going to be a little tight down here whenever you're pulling it out. Keep that in mind as well. So I'm just going to go at it with my little pry tool, go along the edges, pop things out. I'll go down there, come here, and we're going to remove this last panel. Alright, so we have it loose. Now you just pull it back and then lifts out. Here we go. And voila, here are the goods. Hey guys, I hope you really liked this video and it helps you with your air conditioning repairs. If it was good, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. I love talking with you and discussing the repairs. And also I have two other videos, one of the resistor repair and then one of the rear blend door repairs. And those will be showing up here in a minute. Check those out if you need to. And of course, subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more Chevy Trailblazer repair videos. And then I also do some pretty awesome steak videos and show you how to grill a delicious steak. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.